Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make veg pho at home using an easy method. First, let's create that amazing broth. Begin by adding 8 cups of water to a large pot. Then, toast whole spices like star anise and cinnamon sticks in a dry pan for about 1 minute to release their aromas. Add these, along with sliced ginger, half an onion, and 2 carrots, to the water. Simmer this fragrant mixture for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Once your broth has simmered, it's time to refine its flavor. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids to get a clear liquid. Now, season it with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For an extra layer of savory depth, stir in half a teaspoon of mushroom powder. Always taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You're aiming for a harmonious balance of sweet, salty, and umami notes. With your broth ready, let's prepare the other components. Cook your rice noodles according to the package directions until they are perfectly tender, then drain them well. Next, thinly slice about 1 cup of your favorite vegetables, such as cremini mushrooms and baby bok choy. Don't forget your fresh herbs. Chop a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and 2 green onions. Having all your toppings prepped and ready makes serving a breeze. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious vegetarian pho. Start by placing a generous portion of the cooked rice noodles into a large serving bowl. Neatly arrange your fresh, thinly sliced vegetables and chopped herbs over the noodles. Then, carefully ladle the steaming hot, aromatic broth over everything in the bowl. The heat from the broth will gently cook the fresh vegetables. Serve your beautiful homemade pho immediately and savor every warm, comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.